Hi guys, welcome back to the DutchPilotGirl channel where I take you along on my flights and life as an airline pilot. Today I'll take you along to the capital of Argentina. Welcome to Buenos Aires. Before we continue, I'd like to thank Sadie for partnering with me on this video and making all of our trips so much easier. You just need 3 things for a successful trip: your passport, money and a Saily eSIM. An eSIM is a digital SIM card that connects to mobile data without the need for a physical SIM card. I recently visited Buenos Aires and traveling without internet is not recommended. The Saily eSIM is my go-to when I travel, and setting it up is super easy and only takes a few minutes. You just download the Saily app, choose a data plan, enter the DutchPilotGirl promo code and set everything up. Once you arrive at your destination, your data plan will be already activated, so you can instantly book a Grab, use Google Maps, and of course text your family to let them know that you've just experienced the best landing ever. And once you install the Saily eSIM, it works in over 180 countries, so there is no need to get a new one for every single trip. For my Buenos Aires trip, for example, I only needed to select Argentina and that was literally it. The plans are cheap, and once you're all set, you'll never have to worry about not being connected or roaming fees ever again. Download the Saily app and use the code DutchPilotGirl at checkout to get 15% off your data plan. It's a must-have and common sense for every traveler. Argentinië is een prachtig divers land en Buenos Aires is een perfecte stad om heerlijk te eten en te genieten van de cultuur. Geniet van de approach.
Approaching minimums.